Hey there, coaster fans. Thanks for checking out another NanoCoaster build by Big Guy Rides. This is a fairly new series that we've dropped on the channel showcasing how to make these really cool little coaster models brought to you from Coaster Dynamix. These models can be found at several theme parks. I mostly do find them at the Six Flags locations. I do know SeaWorld also carries them, and some of the other independent parks, but I would like to see these at more and more parks that I go to. The first step that you're going to want to do when making these nano coasters is grab a sharp pair of nail trimmers and cut out the metal pieces. They are pretty easy to cut out, but it does take a little bit of time. The other thing I will mention is the pieces can be a little bit sharp. So if you do have children with you, make sure you have some adult supervision present. Once you have got all of the pieces in place, sometimes there are a few little tiny metal sticks that kind of pop out from the pieces. So I take an additional smaller nail trimmer and I clip those off. Once you get the plastic part peeled away, you are ready to start inserting the pieces into the base. I try to pause the video if you need to stop and look at which piece comes next, as the instructions are just pictures, and sometimes it is hard to tell which unit goes in which slot. Feel free to pause and replay the video at any time. The metal pieces you will see me sort of bending into place before I actually put the tabs in. I think that's probably one of the better ideas as you build these, because if you put the tabs in first and bend them into place without the full build, you may run into some troubles. These builds are pretty quick and seem to be a good time. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you guys have fun building your own nanos.